Hello friends, it's a summertime in Germany. So the temperature is around 27 to 30 degrees Celsius for almost every day, and maybe this hot summertime will remain for the next 2-3 months. So recently I decided to buy a Tomb ventilator. So tomb ventilator is in German. So in English it's mean like the tower fan. So I ordered it from eBay, and today few minutes ago I just received this fan from DHL parcel service, and you can see on the box it's a the name is BRANDSON. It's a German brand, and and yes, you can see here it's a German brand, and the fan body color is yeah, it's a blue gray. It's written here. So dark blue, blue gray, navy blue, these are my preferred color. So so I have the indicator, so let's unboxing it. So this is the fan. It's quite big. I saw the product description that it's written as it's almost 97 centimeter long, so it's enough for me. Yes. So inside the box we can see there is a remote for BRANDSON and the fan stand also. Oh, there is a user manual also. So this is the fan, and this is the LED display, and this is the main portion of the fan, and this is the back side from where it sucks the natural air, and this is the front side, and this is the place to put the remote control. Yeah, so then I will fix the stand with this fan. So that's it from the unboxing today. Thank you friends, bye.